Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to be tidying in my dining room. In full transparency, I was letting my dining room table get out of control. It's one of the first spots that you see when you walk in, and so things were just piling up. I had things to donate, things to put away, that kind of thing, so I am getting that done today. I want to thank, as always, Sunday Dawn for putting this collaboration together each and every week, and do not forget to check out her channel, The Helpful Home, along with the playlist listed in my description box below. Let's get busy tidying this room up. So I am starting my tiny tidy just by cleaning up this entryway table and making it nice and fresh.
You're like a river in the dark. You stare me right, you lit the spark. And I can feel you tearing down every wall. Come one, come all. You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance, we head over heels, filled with dreams. Come all, everything, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. We can go wherever. We can be whoever. You and me. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you.
If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I create a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would absolutely love for you to become part of my YouTube family. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button, and it is completely and totally free. And if you are new, I love getting to know you, so I would love for you to comment down in my comment section and tell me a little bit about yourself, because I do look forward to getting to know you. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, I started doing this table just to begin with. I think that I was procrastinating about doing the dining room table, if I'm gonna just be completely honest, because when you see it, you will know why.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride.
As you can see, my dining room table was filled with items from a recent shopping trip that I needed to put away, as well as items that I need to donate. Even my chairs have bags of items to be donated. There's a picture in the background that needs to be donated as well, but it just felt so good to clean this space. I want to know in the comments, do you have an area in your home that becomes a hot spot that you just kind of drop things down on when you get home and it just collects things over time?
Oh, plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. Oh, and we could go till we're
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this motivated and inspired you to tiny tidy something around your home today. If you did do a tiny tidy, let me know what you tidied in the comments below. And do not forget, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.
Away, build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds